Prepare yourself for an exciting adventure as we explore the grand opening of the Bao Bao Peak tourist destination in the heart of Bayawan City. Renowned for its enchanting appeal, this destination guarantees a one-of-a-kind experience. Just a short 30 to 40-minute drive, approximately 23.2 kilometers away from Bayawan City proper. Bao Bao Peak is a paradise waiting to be explored. The ideal time to visit is during the rainy season at dawn, ensuring you arrive before the sun rises to witness the breathtaking sea of clouds and the panoramic view from above. Capture picture-perfect moments that will leave your Instagram feed buzzing with envy. But remember, the journey to Bao Bao Peak is not for the faint-hearted. The challenging roads are tailor-made for the adventurous souls, nature lovers, and avid hikers seeking an adrenaline rush.
Istorya, video man video. Video man daw, dami masulti nimo sa dalan.
May pagpanda ko ngayon, may kikanton ba?
Tilawi ka na to.
On June 22, Bayawan proudly unveiled Bao Bao Peak as its newest tourist hotspot, opening its doors to the public with great fanfare.
Morning everybody, I'm so happy nga daghan na gud nibalik diri sa Bao Bao Peak and lipay po kay mi nga once again the Bao Bao Peak is now open again for public.
Mayor Jack Raymond, a true advocate for tourism, rode his bike to the launch event, showcasing his unwavering support for Bayawan's flourishing tourism industry. Joining him were the barangay officials of Taiwan, trail bikers, mountain bikers, dedicated tourism officers and staff, enthusiastic visitors, and the vibrant local community. For a seamless journey to Bao Bao Peak, don't hesitate to seek assistance from the tourism office and the Taiwan barangay officials. Remember, let's cherish our nature and refrain from littering. Together, let's preserve the beauty of our environment for generations to come. Embark on an unforgettable journey to Bao Bao Peak and immerse yourselves in the wonder of Bayawan City. Pack your bags, grab your cameras, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Bao Bao Peak beckons you to explore, to appreciate, and to protect our precious natural treasures. Let's make a difference, starting with the way we care for our environment. Let's leave nothing but footprints and take nothing but memories. Bao Bao Peak, here we come!